Coming to Hong Kong Khao Soi, the famous one from Chiang Mai. So it's actually located in Ari, Soi Ari. So we're going in and take a look. Today is a Sunday and it seems as very crowded, so we have to wait for our turn. We're queuing up now. Khao Soi is here, and this is the chicken version. And we also order another one, which is the beef version. Okay, it looks similar just like this, but actually there's a difference. Here's the chicken one is here. Then normally it come with a condiment with lamb, shallot, mustard, pickle mustard, and also some. This is the Chiang Mai version, and it's usually much redder and because of the herbs they use. Okay, now you squeeze the lamb inside. Add in the shallot and the pickle, mustard pickle. I mean, okay. So then we stir it all up, and then we can. Of course, if you want more spice, you can add in a little bit of the chili, special chili. Okay. Of course, there is also the fish sauce. But before you add any fish sauce, better taste it first. If it's too salty, don't add any more. Okay. This, the soup is a bit sweet, so it's still okay because basically I don't mind the thing a bit sweet. Okay. The noodle is flat noodles. When you eat, you can feel the shallot. You can bite the shallot and also the pickle mustard. You can bite. It blend quite well with the whole dish. Okay. Normally they come with a big drumstick if you order the chicken, so it's quite reasonable. How much is this? 160 baht, 190. Okay. Okay. Beside this Khao Soi, I also order some this northern sausage, which is very popular and very famous in Chiang Mai. And we normally eat with the chili, which they mix it. Okay. Okay, continue eating. Thank you. It also has been voted the #1 best soup in the world by internet. It is TasteAtlas, TasteAtlas. Do check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. As for the opening hours of this Hong Kong and the destination, how to come to here, check out the destination below also. And if you are here in Bangkok, you don't need to go to Chiang Mai to taste Khao Soi because this is also originally from Chiang Mai. So this is one of the best. And in fact, they have a Michelin star award also. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. So do give me a like and subscribe to my channel.